ladies, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and today I'll be going over a quick little tutorial with you guys on how to do the reverse single crochet. So it's really simple. Once you've reached the end of your project, all you're going to do is take it up like I have my little swatch here, and we are going to chain one, and we're not going to turn our work, but we're going to work into the previous stitch that we just made from left to right. So here I'm going to insert my hook into that last stitch. I'm going to pull up a loop, and I'm going to pull through two. Okay? And here I can try to zoom in for you guys just a wee bit. Okay, I'm going to do it again. I'm simply going to insert my hook into that next available stitch, pull up a loop, and pull through two. Now it can be an awkward stitch to work, especially if this is your first time trying it, but once you get the hang of it, it works up like magic. Okay, and you'll notice that you have this little corded weaving braided pattern going on here for your border. A lot of people like using it for blanket borders. I just like the way it looks. Okay, and I'm just going to keep working across the row. Alright, and then to that last one, pulling through both. So you'll notice that the more you work it, the easier it gets, but also that it works very similar to a single crochet stitch in that, well, I mean, you work them similarly, just kind of backwards, and you usually end up with this really pretty corded border for your projects. So let's lay this down. I'm actually going to chain one and fasten off, adding to my swatch wall. If you enjoyed today's tutorial, go ahead, hit subscribe, hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below letting me know what content you would like to see in the future, whether it be artwork or crochet work or knitting work. Let me know, and I will try my best to accommodate that. And until next time, guys, happy making.